We are finally attempting to plant today. Like it always goes, there's problems before we even put any seed in the ground.
You know, it's had air when we tried it, but it must have.
The sensor
felt it.
Yeah, the sensor was reading no corn out of the second one, but they got that one going. Now the first one won't. There's a mice nest in there, which we've never had happen. So we don't have any strong cable to shove through, but we had that in Ferdy's pickup. So we turned the air all the way up, and we're attempting, but we might have to get the snake. Yep. We got Marcus down here. He's running the John Deere today. Is he in the back?
Yeah, he's in the beaver dam.
Yeah. He is loving it. Birdie's digging this hole in.
You can kind of see that. You can't really see see any air. Go over to Christoph.
So this is the second hole. You got this air. I think the camera can kind of hear it. And then he's at the third one. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but that one's blowing.
It's fucking blowing shit out of this one too. Try shoving it in the second one. Alright.
I hate mice.
I do too. Made a hook on the cable so it catches it.
We've never had this happen before, but why not? Can't even make it around the first field.
There's a lot of air here now.
Marcus has made his way up to us. We're still working on the planter, but gotta get some video of him. Yeah.
Wire's better.
Now we got it. So my mom and dad brought some actual fencing wire.
High tensile wire.
High tensile fencing wire, and that is blowing through this. Right, Avy?
Still not enough. No, it's still.
Oh.
It's still plugged.
Oh, he got a string right there.
Yeah, they can feel it right here. And here. It's still, this one is plugged too still.
Yeah, still that crap. I think your hook's almost screwing it.
Well, we're getting it. Well, better than. Gotta fish it out somehow.
See, we'd like to be able to open this cap up, but we don't have a spare, and we'd be scared to pull it off. Yeah, damn mice.
A nice ball in there.
He just got that out, and there's still more coming.
Look at that. There she goes.
That's the air we've been looking for. There.
Yeah, that was good.
He's gonna go try it. Birdie's gonna ride with him. And then he's gonna get in the back to check everything. Once it's going, we'll do some recording of the planter. But right now, it's more headache than anything until you get the first field done. At least half of it. They're gonna go.
Yep.
And then Marcus, he's taking care of it. When I was 8 years old, I used to do that too.
Yeah, you did, actually.
But I think I had the MX 120.
In kindergarten, I picked you up for raking.
Yeah. So, he's going.
Don't stand kunnen verstoord, je boek zo zachtjes. Zijn je piep.
Where's he going? It's quite impressive that he gets it so accurately. Like, he's not overlapping a lot, and he's not undercutting it. So how's it going today, Avi?
Good.
Good? Okay. I'm right on the trail of one of Ferdy's potash spreadings. He just took off, so he's going again. It means the planter is working. My mom just went to go get lunch. And Ferdy's, I think Marcus is pretty far ahead of us. I think he has the back corner field done back there, so he's plenty far ahead enough so I don't have to stop.
All right, we gotta load up some fertilizer for Christoph here.
He's got gloves on. I'll just let him do it this time. I don't like this pump. I had to run it on choke
Yeah, I know.
the whole time.
That's
Just,
something wrong with it.
that is a piece of junk. We got a different one. We just gotta switch one of the whole ends. We might do that because I just
I just don't want to use that thing.
I know, but
I gotta,
maybe we can. I don't
I gotta
know.
ruin this thing and that other one.
Yeah, because it does eat it up quite a bit.
It does.
So
A year, 2 years, it's junk anyway.
yeah. So yeah, we have a 500-gallon tank in this 466 here. We should have gone with a 1,000-gallon. It would have been more convenient, but we have it. Maybe someday, we'll see. And then it just gets pumped into these. These are 140 each, so it fits it pretty easy.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, we should probably do that.
You fixed this yet?
Yeah, I did. It doesn't leak anymore.
No?
Except the bottom one might leak, but I'll have to do that one too. But it doesn't leak once you have it on. So, yeah, it goes pretty good.
It's solid still?
Huh?
It's still solid?
Well, I had a choke on the whole time, but it wasn't bad. But they're all connected. You just have to plug it into there, and then it'll kind of work its way down. There's a check valve. Once it fills up, the ball will pop up in here, and then it will go to the next one, or go to the next one. So, yeah.
Chris Andreas here.
Going for it. It's dusty now. There's a couple rocks here.
I wouldn't think this fucking go back and give you a new one.
Right. There is a junk. I don't know if they will though.
We'll wash it, they can have it back.
Right.
Fucking thing is junk.
He's on the second pass now, so. Go for it.
Alright, now there should be enough right out here.
It's probably full, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, we're full. He started off at the right time, had a little bit
No,
left.
I think
So.
not, almost, yeah, not enough.
Alright, well, it's in the cornfield, it'll be fine. Okay. Take that seed out and keep going. You think you're half done this field?
Yeah.
Yeah, half done. I guess, yeah. Get this field done today.
Forgot to record Christoph taking the other ones out.
He had most of this side empty anyways. So,
Hey, look at that, it's green.
it is green.
Never seen green before.
So it's going to be 12 and 12 for the variety, because this is a different variety
Big bag.
than these over here. So, okay. So we can't put everything in, right?
Yeah, I would put all 10 in.
Well, yeah, but we only got 10, so
Yes, so we gotta divide it.
put in 2 and then allow them 3. That way, if you do 3 on 2 bags, you know what I mean? There we go. Yeah, they gave us 10 bags, so we had to split. Oh, that was stupid, but okay. Yeah, we had 10 bags and we split them up into 6 hoppers, so that's what we did there. 12 bags would have been ideal because then you just do 2 and 2, but oh well. This is a variety that we haven't used yet, so we kind of wanted to see a difference. Well, he's ready to go. He should almost be able to finish his field up, right?
Oh, I'm finishing it.
Okay. Well, no, but with what you have right here,
Yeah, sure.
he should be able to finish his field up. So.
Pretty damn close. Over in the last field in Enosburg, we just did about 80 something acres. It went pretty good. Had a couple little issues, not too bad. Biggest one now, I can't touch my clutch. For some reason, my clutch sensor is going to hell. So if I push my clutch, it doesn't want to go back into forwards or reverse. So it somewhat sort of sucks planting without a clutch in these little fields because you like to back up and turn around and you can't use the clutch doing this. Otherwise, they're pretty good. I got little Ma Henry with me, right? You want to say hi to the camera? Right there, you want to say hi? Wave! Wave to the camera. Good job. Hopefully we have a good week. We'll have most of it all in. Looks like we're almost done for today. We were gonna go a little later, but since we gotta milk the night shift, we're gonna cut it around 8 o'clock. Otherwise it gets long. We had a nice good day.